Yep, bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, bafethu, as you know, bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, Mamelodi Sundowns and Pitso Msimani are currently on talks, bafethu. Yabo, bafethu, I think they want him back, bafethu, azoleya i-foundation again, bafethu. On top of that foundation, bekayishilo, bafethu. If this thing bafethu iyachubeka iyasucceed bafethu, you just need to know ukuthi as supporters we-Pirates ne-Chiefs is back to throwing boards bafethu. This guy can humble everyone and i-homework uyayichuna umjida because I know yabo he was working since ngibona ukuthi abantu bekabashile, they did very well. We can check uRulani noManqoba bafethu, they did very well using whatever strategy ebebasebenzisa bafethu. So I think bafethu, if this is true bafethu, PSL is going to have a problem. As in Africa, as you know, Pitso Msimani bafethu is very arrogant bafethu, and deservingly ukuthi abe arrogant. That is character bafethu. It doesn't leave any room bafethu for an opponent to this guy's umjida kahle kahle is the type of a person to kick a dog when he's down. Yeah, akakucoleli. Phela this guy was the guy who handed the Pirates i-6. Abo Rulana abo bani bakorile 4 against Pirates, not 6. 6 not in a brutal way futhi. In a manner ukuthi ama-supporter agcina angene stadium amisa umdlalo. It was this guy ne-Sundowns yakhe. Very brutal. Yeah, Sundowns after yena it was lethal after yena. Le yabo Mancoba no Steve Komphela no Rulani Mkwena, it was lethal bafethu leyo. But le be-brutal bekuyile cause bekhona ukwina i-league nge-last day of the league, last 30 minutes of the league. Just imagine this Sundowns eyafika ku-final yawina. If bekakhona, imagine if bekakhona. Hayi, yizo bafethu, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I will keep updating you bafethu ukuthi i-fake news or it's real news bafethu.